Hi everyone, Akash Shankar here again from Age.com. As you are aware, loans are lifeline for MSMEs. 50% of the MSMEs don't make it beyond 5 years of their existence because they are not able to raise sufficient loans. There are quite a lot of reasons why MSMEs are not able to raise the kind of loan that they are looking at. Today, we are here to talk about what are the major reasons why an MSME is not able to raise business loans. What are the reasons for which a business loan application gets rejected? There are several reasons why a business loan application can get rejected. I'm going to touch upon few important reasons. If those reasons can be well addressed, your business loan application can easily go through. One of the first reasons why an application gets rejected is bad credit score. Your CIBIL or your CRIF score of the business or of the individual would be bad. What is bad? Any CIBIL score less than 650 is today considered bad. So it is very, very important that you maintain as an individual a CIBIL score anywhere between 725 and 900. That's the score which would ensure that you are on the right side from a bank or lender perspective. From a business perspective, apart from maintaining a score which is more than 725, it is also important that your CMR score is good. What is good is a CMR score below 5 is a fundable score. If your CMR score crosses 5, your loan might get rejected. Another very, very important factor that you need to bear in mind to look at whether you will be eligible for a loan or no is the business loans are collateral free loans. So, what you need to bear in mind is because they are collateral free, you need to have a very good business to avail these loans. So your business has to be profitable. And again, what is the quantum of loan that you are looking at? If you are looking at a loan which is less than 10 lakh or less than 15 lakh, please bear in mind you need to have a very, very healthy bank statement. What is the meaning of a healthy bank statement? A healthy bank statement is one where you do not have check boxes. A healthy bank statement is one where most of your business transactions are routed through the bank account. A healthy bank transaction is one where you are maintaining a sufficient balance every end of every day. And please bear in mind, most banks today are ready to fund 3 to 4 times of your balance that you maintain at the end of the day. So at an average, if you are able to maintain 1 lakh rupee in your bank account for the 30 days, bank would be open to fund to you anywhere between 3 to 5 lakhs kind of money. So please have sufficient balances to ensure that you will be able to have a successful fundraise. In case your requirement is beyond 15 lakhs, please have a healthy financial. Please have a business which is profitable and then apply for a loan. If your business is under loss or if your business does not have the sufficient cash flows, it is better to apply it after the buy. The third factor that one needs to bear in mind is how regular are you in your statutory payments. Whether it is paying your GST in time, whether it is paying your income tax in time, whether it is paying your, in case you are a company where you have PF liabilities or TDS liabilities or ESA liabilities, how regular have you paid these statutory dues is very important. Timely, regular payment of statutory dues, especially GST and income tax, is a big tick for you to avail a business loan successfully. There are certain other factors that also kind of work against you. Some of the factors could be when you apply for a business loan, the lender comes down for a personal discussion or a telephonic discussion. How well do you fare in this discussion? What are these discussions about? These discussions are about your business. How well can you articulate your business? How well can you talk about your business so that the lender, credit manager understands your business completely? So these are personal discussions or video discussions that happen. So please ensure you prepare yourself and communicate your business holistically. Talk to the lender in terms of what is the kind of business you're doing, how does your transactions happen, how does your business cycle happens, what is the kind of timeline that you need to process your material, or what is the kind of stock period that you need. Please have a holistic conversation with the lender in terms of explaining to him what are the different nitty-gritties of your business and how well do you know to kind of execute it. The better that you are able to communicate to the lender, the higher is the chance that you could avail a business loan. Also need to kind of bear in mind is the documentation. What is important is while you talk to the lender and give him a good example of how you run your business, you also need to kind of sufficiently back it up with documents. So whether it is about providing your bank statement or whether it is about, if required, providing your GST certificates or your registration certificates or your financials or your GST returns, please keep them handy, please keep them intact so that they could be timely provided to the bank. Please bear in mind 30% of proposals don't get approved because of incomplete documentation. So please have a documentation in place. Last but not the least, what you also need to bear in mind is some superficial factors like how old is your business. Some lenders might not like to lend if your business is too new. So if your business is a business which is less than 12 months, most lenders don't like to fund. If your business is between the 12 to 36 months, like you've done your business for one business cycle, between 1 to 3 years of your business cycle, there are quite a few lenders today who would be open to fund. If your business is beyond 3 days, the lot goes up. And if your business is beyond 5 years, most lenders would be happy. Please bear in mind, today there are, in a major metro, there are close to 30 different lenders who are happy to fund unsecured loan. In a Cat B, there are about 10 of them, and in a Cat C city, if you belong to, there are 2, 3, 4 of them. So please have a fair idea to understand who are the lenders who are present in your market and reach out to most of them when you are looking for an unsecured loan. This is a quick chat in terms of you understanding what are the few important factors that are required to ensure your business loan application goes good. Feel free to kind of loop into any of our loan agents so that we could have a one-to-one session and give you more insights on how to have a successful business loan application. Thank you.